Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now we're going to deal with multiplication multiplication of matrices. Now this one is quite different from adding and subtracting, because for adding and subtracting, like in the previous video, it involves direct methods, just like adding corresponding elements. But for this one, it's quite different. You use the rows and columns. So as you know, when you're identifying a matrix, we say it's an M by N matrix. This will come in handy when dealing with multiplication in these matrices. So here's an example. You've got a matrix A, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the matrix B, which is equal to 7, 9, 11, 8, 10, 12. So if a question comes in a test or an exam, say find 2a, so it's what you do here. 2 is what we call a scalar. It's something that is just a number. It has got no magnitude, or it doesn't have both magnitude and direction. So what we're going to do is 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you're multiplying, you multiply 2 by each element in the matrix. So 2a will be equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, sorry about that, 10, 12. This is because it's a scalar and it's multiplying by each number or each element in the matrix. It's quite simple. I hope you've seen what's happening there. Now say another question comes like find AB. This means you're multiplying two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. So there's a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At the beginning of the video, I said multiplication involves rows and columns. So we deal with multiplication using M by N. Don't forget this point. So you need to pair up to find solutions of these matrices. So this will be equal to, we have to fill up that matrix. So it will be this row by this column. So it will be 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 7, 9, 11. As you can see, these are not matrices. These are what we call vectors. So this process is called dot product, which you'll learn later on. But as for now, you have to get to use this method to find multiplication. So it will be 1, this number 1 multiplied by that, plus this multiplied by that, plus this multiplied by that. So here goes. So 1 times 7, 1 times 7 plus 2 times 9 plus 3 times 11. So if you find the solution for this on your calculator, it will give you 58. Have you seen? So that's our first element. So 58. Again, we'll do the same. We'll go with this row by this column. So it will be 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 8, 10, 12. So the same process. 1 by 8, 2 by 10, 3 by 12, and then you add the solutions. So it will be equal to 1 times 8 plus 2 times 10 plus 3 times 12. The total is going to give us 64 on a calculator. You should go through this and you'll be able to prove this by yourselves. Don't forget to be so accurate, and don't forget to be taking your time. So 64. Now to find, we're done with the top row. Now we go in the bottom row. So this row by this column. Same process. 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 7, 9, 11. So 4 times 7 plus 5 times 9 plus 6 times 11. The answer will be equal to 139. I hope you're following. It's quite simple. All you need is to be accurate and taking your time. So our element will be 139. Now we're done. We go to the second column. So this row by this column. Same process. 4, 5, 6 times 8, 10, 12. So it will be 4 times 8 plus 5 times 10 plus 6 times 12. And our final answer will be 154. So our element there will be 154. So we've come up with a matrix. Therefore, A, B, sorry about that. AB is equal to 58, 64, 139, 154. As simple as that. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share the channel with someone who needs this information, or someone who's in the same class as you. Thank you for watching.